Welcome to GKR Tamosri. Who wrote the Indian national anthem? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Sardar Patel, D. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Rabindranath Tagore. The song Janagana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem of India on 24th January 1950. Which is the first country to print books? A. India, B. United States, C. China, D. Japan. C. China. The book printing began in China during Tang Dynasty. This early printing was woodblock printing, where an entire page was carved onto a wooden block and inked for replication. Which is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Blue whale, D. Lion. C. Blue whale is the largest mammal in the world. This marine mammal can reach length of 30 meters and weight up to 200 tons. They are also one of the loudest animal on earth, with their calls reaching 188 decibels. In which year did Christopher Columbus discover America? A. 1492, B. 1500, C. 1607, D. 1776. A. 1492. Christopher Columbus made landfall in Americas, which he called the New World on 12th October 1492. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Mahatma Gandhi. C. B.R. Ambedkar is widely recognized as the father of Indian Constitution. He served as the chairman of drafting committee that prepared the Constitution of India. Which gas do the plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Hydrogen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. Plant absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere during photosynthesis. This process allows plant to convert sunlight and water into glucose and release oxygen. Plant absorbs CO2 through tiny pores called stomata, which are located on the surface of their leaves. Who is the author of the book Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone? A. J.R.R. Tolkien, B. J.K. Rowling, C. George Orwell, D. Charles Dickens. B. J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter and Philosopher's Stone, the first novel in immensely popular Harry Potter series by British writer J.K. Rowling, published in 1997. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? A. Mount Kilimanjaro, B. Mount Fuji, C. Mount Everest, D. Mount McKinley. C. Mount Everest, located on the border between China and Nepal, has an altitude of 8,848.86 meters, making its highest mountain in the world because it has highest elevation above the sea level, that is 29,029 feet. Which is responsible for the green color of leaves? A. Chlorophyll, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen. A. Chlorophyll. The green color of leaves is due to the presence of pigment chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is important in photosynthesis, allowing plant to absorb energy from light. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sonia Gandhi, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Draupadi Murmu, D. Pradeepa Patil. B. Indira Gandhi. Srimati Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India and served the nation for 2 terms. During the tenure, India won 1971 war against Pakistan, which resulted in the creation of Bangladesh. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. Southern Ocean. A. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, covering more than 1/3 of the Earth's surface. It is also deepest ocean. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger, B. Elephant, C. Leopard, D. Lion. D. Lion is called the king of the beast or king of the jungle because of its majestic appearance, power, and top predatory nature. Who painted the Mona Lisa painting? A. Michael. B. Pablo Picasso. C. Leonardo da Vinci. D. Vincent van. C. Leonardo da Vinci. It was painted sometime between 1503 and 1519 and now it hangs in Louvre Museum, Paris, where it remains an object pilgrimage in 21st century. Which gas do the plants release during the photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. A. Oxygen. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants produce glucose. It involves the conservation of carbon dioxide gas, water, minerals, and plants take it from the surroundings into sugar and gaseous oxygen. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Jane Austen. B. William Shakespeare. C. Charles Dickens. D. F. Scott. B. William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet and actor. He is often called England's national poet and Bard of Avon, or simply the Bard. Which is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Skin. C. Brain. D. Liver. B. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. It acts the protective barrier, regulates the body temperature and allows for sensation. The skin's total surface area is about 20 square feet. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. GO. B. AU. C. AG. D. GD. B. AU. Gold is a chemical element with the symbol of AU and atomic number 79. The name is from Latin aurum, meaning shiny dawn. Which is the largest continent on Earth? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. D. North America. B. Asia is the largest continent in the world by both land area and population. It covers an area of more than 44 million square kilometers, about 30% of Earth's total land area and 8% of Earth's total surface area. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. India. B. Russia. C. China. D. Japan. B. Japan is known as the land of rising sun because it's one of the first places in the world to see the sunrise. Which is the largest organ inside the human body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Skin. D. Liver. D. Liver is situated on the upper right area of the abdomen, beneath the ribcage and lungs. Answer for last video was Mizoram hosts the National Youth Festival 2025. The theme is Youth for Sustainable Future, shaping the nation with resilience and responsibility. The video is available on iQOD. What is the national animal of India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.